friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kajol. Today I gonna show you the recipe of kanji. You can make this recipe on the occasion of any festival. This is very tangy and digestible drink and also good for your health. I hope you like this. For making kanji we required 2 liter boiled water which I have cooled down. This process is very important. And other spice we required 2 tablespoon of mustard seed, rai, 1 pinch asafoetida hing, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. You can adjust red chili powder according to your own. 1 pinch turmeric powder, haldi, salt according to your taste. Now grind all these spice well in a mixer. Now add this masala in this water. Mix well. Now transfer this kanji in a glass pot. If you don't have glass pot, you can also put it into a clay pot. Now cover this jug with a lid. Place it on a warm place and keep stirring it regularly with a spoon. Within 3 days, kanji turns tangy. Let's prepare vada for it. For making vada, we required 1 bowl green gram and 2 tablespoons of black gram. Both the dal soaked for 2-3 hours and drain out of the excess water. Now place it to mixer jar and grind little coarsely. Our dal mixture is ready. Now transfer it mixer in a mixing bowl. Whisk this dal mixture 3 to 4 minutes like this. We have whisked the dal for 5 to 4 minutes and it's appear nice and puffy. Now we make badas for it. Oil is rightly heated. So we drop one by one bada like this. Fry the bada till they golden brown in color. Toss the vada like this using a ladle. Vada have turned golden brown in color. Drain them out of now. Our vada is ready for kanji. 3 days have passed and kanji have turned tangy taste. Now we add these vadas in kanji and serve it. I hope you like this recipe. Try this kanji at once. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.